Hey guys, if you are looking to grow your e-commerce business using smart scalable strategies, then you are going to love what I have in store for you. I am Smruti Ranjan. Welcome to my YouTube channel Ecom Business. Today I will show you how you can update your inventory in bulk method. First log in into the Walmart Seller Center. Then I am already inside the Seller Center. Then just click on catalog. Then move the cursor to here. You can see update items. Just click here. You can see update with file. Just click here. Then you can see show Walmart templates. Just click here. After clicking here, you can see there are so many options are there. Just choose inventory update. Click here. Once you click here, a template will be downloaded. You can see, just click here in the template. You can see here is the template. In this template, we have to fill up all the required data. Like you can see in the first column, there is a SKU, and for the second column you can see new quantity, and third column you can see fulfillment center right. Here we have to fill up the required data. Then how can we fill up it? I have my here I have already filled up all the required data. You can see here is my first product SKU, and here I will change the quantity 5. Then here is my second product SKU. Then I will change the quantity to 6. Here is my third product SKU. I will update the quantity 7. Then here is the SKU, fourth SKU. Then I will update the quantity to 8. And here is the last SKU. I will update the quantity to 9. For example, I am giving the quantity, but here you have to give the data how many items you have for this SKU. SKU means for a particular product, this is the SKU, and how many items you have to write it here, write down here. Then here you have to put Walmart Center ID. You can get the Walmart Center ID inside the setting. Once you click in the right side upper corner setting, then you will get the Walmart Center ID in the left side top corner. Okay. After giving all the required data, then just click save. You can see once again I am repeating, in the first column you have to put the required SKU for the item you want to update the inventory. Okay. Fulfillment center ID. After giving all the required data, just click save. Then close here. Then once again come inside the Walmart Seller Center. Inside the catalog, you can see update items. Once again click here. Then update with file. Then select the inventory update. There are so many options because I am going to update the inventory. So choose inventory update. Click here. Then browse the file. Here is the inventory file. Then upload the file. It will take only 60 seconds. You can see file submitted successfully. Then just click here in the activate field. Once click here, you can see here inventory updated. You can see it will take some time to show here. So you can see pending. The status is pending. it will take some time. So wait for that time. Then we will check either the inventory is updated or not. This is the process. You can update your inventory in bulk method. How many items you have inside your catalog, you can update your inventory at a time in this way. Okay, just refresh the page once. Here also pending. Once again refresh here. It is pending, so it will take some time. Sometimes it will take processed within 2 to 3 minutes, or sometimes it will take more than 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So no problem, but this is the process. You can update your inventory in bulk method. In between this time, I will show you another thing, growth. Just click here, growth. Then you can see assortment growth. Just click here. For the next video, I will tell you what is assortment growth and why we go through that. Okay, let's check again. Click here in activity feed. Either the process still it is pending, so it will take some time. I have taken only 5 items for the example how you can update the inventory, but you can take instead 5, you can take more than 1000 items at a time. In this way you can update your inventory. Okay, so once again I will update this inventory to 0. Then just put 0 here. Then for the every SKU I want to make this inventory stock 0. So I just put 0 here for every SKU. Then make it save. Then just come inside the catalog, click here update items, then once again click update with file, then select inventory update, once again upload the template. Here it will take only 60 seconds. File submitted successfully. Once again go to activity feed, click here, then here you can see either the inventory processed or not. It will take some time to process. Previously we have given the quantity 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 like this we had given, but now I will update the quantity to 0. For these 5 SKUs I will update the item to 0. So here you can see the status submitted. Also it will take some time to update. Here is pending and it will take some more time to process. Basically it processed within 2 to 3 minutes, and sometimes it takes more than 10 minutes to process. So in this way you can update. Once again click here catalog, then click activity feed. You can see the inventory update request has been processed successfully. Now we will check either the inventory has been updated to 0 or not. Then once again copy the SKU, then click here catalog, then here you can put it here, then click search. You can see the inventory right now it is 0. Then once again I will copy another one, then paste it here, then search again. Here is also you can see the inventory is 0. So this is the process you can update your inventory in bulk method. For today I am ending this video here. If you get some idea how you can update your inventory in bulk method, do subscribe my channel and like the video and share the video with your friends who is interested in e-commerce business. See you again with another new video. Till that time, bye bye, take care.